Hello everyone, welcome back. We are just continuing with the last video where we left. So here are dictionaries. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, but it does not allow duplicates. Okay. Tuple, it's unchangeable. List allows all of the things, and dictionary it's not allowing us duplicates now. Okay. Next is dictionary items are present in key value pairs. The values are stored in key, and they can only be called by key names, not the indexing. We can't call them by indexing. We are calling them now by keys. Okay. Now dictionary, we can initialize it with the name dict and providing it the dictionary or directly. Okay. Over here, let's see. Okay, it's not showing us any error. Next, if we use the duplicate values, then it will give assign the last value assigned to the particular key. The last value assigned to the particular key is the actual value which it will be storing now. Okay. Here I have firstly stored um 1 in key A. Next I have stored 2 in key A. Then it's printing 2, not 1. Okay. Next, I've checked for if it is allowing all type of data types in the keys. Okay, it is allowing that. Let me check one more thing for you over here. Okay, if it's allowing us dict 4 equal हो जाएगा a 1 b as c. Let's see if it's functioning or not. Yes, it is. It is going. It is good with all those types of things now. Okay. Next is, yes, I'm just we are just seeing for the value of key C. Okay, in dict 1. What was dict 1? Yes, over here it is C equals to 3. Okay, next. Okay, let's see for this. Yes, 3. That's what it was showing. Okay, we can get all the keys by just calling dot keys function. If you want all the keys of the function, sorry, dictionary, and same for the dot values for the values of dictionary, all the values which are assigned in the dictionary. Next, you can just try for these functions by your own so that you get some hands-on experience with the dictionary as well. The same you can do with list and tuple. Just practice, guys, because it's very important. Without practice, you won't be getting anything. Clear, copy, from keys, all those functions, you just try it out by your own, and you can just get this file from the GitHub link. I will be providing it in the description down. Okay. Next, let's come to sets. Set is a collection which is both unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed, and it does not allow duplicates. It's not allowing us anything, you can say. Okay. And set is written in curly brackets, but not in key value pair. Key value pair is written for dictionary, and for sets it's a single only value. Okay. Okay, over here I've just written the sum of the values in set 1. See what will the value of this. So it's not following us the order we have taken. It's not giving the exact output of what we have provided in the uh, that initialization of set. Okay, like we have given 6 for 2 times, 3 for 2 times, and 8 for 3 times. So it's not giving that. It's just giving the sorted values of the set. Okay. Next, if we want to find out the value at 0 index, so that too it will show an error. Set object is not subscriptable. Okay. Next, let's see for what is done with the string and integer together. So it's sorting it out and just giving us the result back. Same for, I have just written like subscribe comment for the 3 times, and let's see what is happening over here. See, it's not following the order, it's just getting this in the alphabetical order, and giving us back the output. Okay. Next, you should perform these operation functions on sets to get some experience. Some of them are very important and you will get too much knowledge from them. Okay. Okay. Now let's end this over here. Next, we will be discussing about the loops. Okay. Till then, be safe. Take care of yourself. Wear mask, avoid going out, and please do subscribe the channel if you haven't done so, and like the video if you like the content. And yes, you can comment your queries down there in the comment section so that I can resolve them in the upcoming videos or by replying you at the same time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day.